You can connect Claude directly to your Gmail account so you can search and manage your messages inside chat. Take a moment to leave a like if this tutorial helps you out. Open the profile menu by clicking your account icon in the bottom left corner. Click Settings in the Account pop-up menu. Select Connectors in the left sidebar of the Settings modal. Click the Connect button next to Gmail in the list of integrations. Choose the Google account you want to link on the sign-in page. Click the Continue button on the initial access screen. Review the requested permissions for your email account. Click the Select All checkbox to mark all permissions at once. Click the Continue button at the bottom to authorize access. Close the Settings modal by clicking the X button in the top right corner. Click into the central prompt text input field on the main page. You can now test the connection by entering a prompt that requires access to your email. That concludes the setup process for linking your inbox. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips.